everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome again to another video class. I hope that you're all doing very well and welcome to this Tuesday Snake video class. Can you do like a snake? Good. Today is Tuesday Snake and in the first video class of the day, I am bringing you a new science experiment. So this week we're going to be talking about moms, like our mummies, our grandmas, maybe our aunts, they're also mummies, everybody in the world, but also nature. It is known that nature is also a mom because she can grow plants and animals and all these beautiful flowers and trees, everything. So today we're going to be planting a plant. For this science experiment, we need a cup. I'm going to use a plastic. Oh, this is dirty from the Zoom class yesterday. Oh no, Ms Fran, wash your hands. So I'm going to use a plastic cup, transparent, so you can see through. I'm going to need lentils, like this one right here. These ones. I'm going to need some cotton. You see, this is cotton. I asked this one to my mommy because she used it to clean her face and hands sometimes. So I asked for one, and here I have water. Can you see the water? Oops, I think you can. So what I'm going to do is the following. I am going to tear my cotton into two, like this. I'm going to try to make it bigger, spread, and I'm going to put it here at the bottom of my cup. With a little spoon, I'm going to put some water, some drops, not too much, some drops of water. So it looks kind of wet, but not soaking wet, okay? And now I'm going to take 3 lentils, 1 here in the middle, 2 and 3. I don't know if you can see them. Yes, you can. Good. I put them here. Now I'm going to take the other half of my cotton and I'm going to put it on top, and I'm going to put some more water like this. So this little one right now needs to be put in a place where it has air, sunlight, and every other day we're going to put a few drops of water, and then in a few more days we're going to see how a little seed is going to grow, and it's going to grow so much until we have a real plant. So maybe when it's big, we can put it in a pot and then put it in the garden, or maybe in a flower, as you wish. So now every day I'm going to look at my plant and I'm going to make a drawing. So maybe this day grew up a little bit, or maybe the other day I can see some green leaves, etc. So this is our science experiment. It is not an experiment that we can see right away as the other ones, maybe with the rain or with the balloon, but this is going to take time, but it's going to be amazing as well. So I hope that you like this experiment. Always remember to take maybe notes, or maybe ask a mommy for a picture or draw what's going to happen with our lentils. So have fun doing this, and I cannot wait to maybe next week see how our little seed is doing. So bye bye.